Segment of a circle. Segment of a circle is the region bounded by an arc and its chords. So looking at our illustration, we have chord AB and we have arc AB. So the region bounded by the arc and its chord is called segment. Ayan. So, yung sector, yung buong slice mula dito sa AD, BD, yan, ito yung sector. However, yung segment, ito lang siya. Yung nandun lang sa pagitan ng arc at nung chord. Now, how to find the area of this segment? The formula is area of a sector minus area of a triangle. This will require us to use our previous skill in finding the area of the sector. So, ano yung formula doon? Pi r squared c all over 360 degrees. So, yun yung formula natin for sector. Now, how about for triangle? Area of the triangle is equals to 1/2 of base times height. So, let's compute now for the area of this segment. Step 1. Hanapin natin ang area of the sector. So, yung pi natin, that's 3.14, right? Yan yung value ng pi. Our radius from the given is 6. And our c, which is the degree measure of the arc, is 90 degrees. Since 90 degrees ito, central angle siya, so yung arc ay 90 degrees din. So, 3.14 times radius na 6, so that's 6 squared or 6 times 6. Pinan natin. Times 6 times 6 times 90 divided by 360 degrees. So, let's do the calculation. 3.14 times 6 times 6 times 90. Kung gusto nyo yung 36 na to, pwede rin naman, pareho na yun. And then, divide it by 360 degrees. The answer is 28.26 square units. Okay, square units kasi nga ang ating radius ay 6. Kung ito ay centimeter, centimeter squared. Kung ito ay 6 inches, this is inches squared. Now, let's move on to step 2. For step 2, gamitin natin yung area of the triangle. 1/2 base times height. Ibig sabihin yan, dapat meron tayong measure ng base at ng height. In our given, kung mag-rewrite tayo ng triangle, saan galing yung triangle na yan? Yan. Parang ganyan siya. So, R is 6. Kung 6 ito, at ito ay 6 din. Kasi nga, di ba, pareho silang radius. So, kung papansinin nyo, this is our base and this is our height. So, dahil may base at height tayo, we simply apply this. 1/2, base is 6, height is 6. So, pwedeng 1/2 of 6, that's 3, times 6, 18. Or pwede rin naman na 6 times 6, divided by 2, 18 pa rin. 6 divided by 2 is 3. 3 times 6, that is 18. Square units. So, this is the area of the triangle. So, ang idea dito, compute natin yung buong sector. Tapos, yung triangle na nabuo natin. Subtract natin siya para makuha natin yung segment. So, step 3, area of the segment is equals to, ito, 28.26 square units minus 18 square units. Or simply 28.26. 28.26 minus 18 equals 10.26 square units. Another example for segment of a circle. In this case, let's say this is 12 units, our radius is 12, and this angle measures 60 degrees. Let's find the area of this segment. Step 1, area of the sector. Okay, yung area ng sector na to. So that is pi r squared times c all over 360 degrees. That's our formula. First, ano muna ang ating radius? R is 12. Ano ang C? Ano ang degree measure ng ating arc? That is 60 degrees. So, supply ko lang yung value na meron tayo. So, again, yung pi ay 3.14. Our radius is 12. Squared siya, so pwedeng 12 squared or 12 times 12. And then, our C is 60 degrees. Divided by 360 degrees. Calculate tayo. Pwedeng dire-diretso na. 3.14 times 12 times 12 times 60 equals, that answer, huwag nang kopyahin, divided by 360. The answer is 75.36. 75.36 square units. And next, step 2, area of the triangle. So, ang ginamit natin kanina sa example ay yung formula na 1/2 base times height. But this is applicable only if we have the base and the height. In our example, we do not have our base. Actually, isosceles triangle ito kasi. Hindi siya right angle. So, kung i-redraw ko siya, ganyan magiging itsura niya. Ganyan. So, this is 60 degrees. Tapos, ito ay 12. Okay. So, kung 12 ito, so of course, 12 din itong kabila. Right? So, dahil wala tayong height, so, ang kailangan natin gawin ay gumamit na ibang paraan. We have side, angle, and side. So, we can find the area of this triangle using law of sines. So, what is that law of sines? 1/2 A, B, sine C. Okay. A and B are the sides of the angle in this case. So, meron tayong dalawang sides. So, yung 12 units, 12 units to, 12 units to. So, meron tayong dalawang sides. C refers to the included angle. So, ito yung angle sa pagitan ng dalawang given na side. So, this is 60 degrees. So, this can be applied here. So, gawin natin 1/2. Again, our A is 12. Our B is 12. And then sine. Okay, our C is 60 degrees. Okay. Now, compute natin. Pwede nyo itong idiretso na 1/2 times 12 times 12. Okay, pero para hindi ganun ka-calculator, bawas sa RQ. 12 divided by 2 is 6. Right? So, gawin natin to. 6 times 12. 72. Or, pwede din naman ito na 12 times 12. 12 times 12 divided by 2. Pero walang din man nalalabas. So, this is 72. And then, sine 60. Sine 60 can be computed gamit ang cycle. Sine, cosine, tangent. So, syempre, sa sine tayo. 60 degrees. Okay, pero ang gawin natin diretso na 72 times 60, times sine 60. 72 times sine 60 equals, there you have it, 62.35 square units. 62.35. Nag-round off tayo into 2 decimal places. Now, step 3, the moment of truth, area of the sector minus area of the triangle. So, ito yung area of the segment. Okay, gawin natin siya. So, this is 75 minus 36 minus 62.35. 75.36 minus 62.35. The answer is 13.01. So this is our answer. Square units. Okay. Kung hindi tayo uniform ng paraan ng pag-round off, maybe we will accept yung counting difference. Some may answer here 13.00. Some may answer 13.02. Okay, that is possible because of the rounding off along the process. Find the area of the segment on the circle. So in this example, okay, our radius is 4 and our degree measure is 110 degrees. So step 1, area of the sector. So again, the formula is pi r squared times c divided by 360 degrees. So in our given, our radius is 4. Okay, and then our degree measure for the arc is 110 degrees. So again, moving on with the formula, pi, that's 3.14 times radius, which is 4. Square daw siya, so dalawang beses 4 times 4. Our C is 110 degrees divided by 360 degrees. So, diretso tayo sa calculator. So, it will give us 3.14 times 4 times 4 times 110. So, that's it. And then divide it by 360. The answer is 15.35. Square units. Ulitin natin. 3.14 times 4 times 4 times 110. Divided by 360. So, 13.35. Okay? Na-ground off na lang ako. Now, step 2. Area of the triangle. So, again, we cannot use the formula 1/2 base times height here. Kasi meron tayong base na 4, but our height is not defined. Okay, kasi hindi naman siya right triangle. So, if we draw this, magiging parang ganyan siya. This is 4 units, radius yan, another 4 units. So, wala tayong height. So, for that, yan. Ang angle natin ay 110 degrees. Kaya ang gagawin natin ay yung side angle side. Gamit ang law of sines, which is 1/2 of A times B sine C. Okay, saan ang galing, ano ang A? A is one of the sides. B is the other side. Tapos, sine is the trigonometric function yan of the angle, of the included angle. So, in our case, that is 110 degrees. So, supply natin ang values natin. 1/2. Our A is 4. Kasi 4 ang ating one side. O, ito na pala. 4. Other side is also 4. Since pareho siyang radius. So, pareho siyang measurement. Sine, our sine C, 110 degrees. So, calculate tayo. 1/2 of 4 times 4. So, pwede na natin diretso yan eh. This is 2, right? 2 times 4, 8. Or pwedeng 4 times 4, 16. Divide by 2, 8. Tapos, sine 110 degrees. So, paano ginagawa yan? Yung sine 110 degrees, may sine, cosine, tangent sa calcu, di ba? So, sine 110. Yan. Okay, pero gawin natin diretso na 8 times sine 110. 8 times sine 110 equals 7.52. 51 tapos 7540 ang karugtong. So, nag-round off ako 7.52 square units. Before I forgot, make sure na ang calculator natin ay nasa degree mode. Ayan, naka-degree mode. So, paano makukuha yan? Pwede nyo tingnan yung mode ng inyong calculator. Ayan, degree. Okay, meron din naman ganito sa mga cellphones kung pwede nyo siyang i-download or i-install. So, again, meron tayong 7.52 square units para sa ating triangle. Now, for area of the segment, eto na, the moment of truth. Ayan. Kunin natin ito, tsaka ito. Subtak natin sila. 15.35 minus 7.52. 15.35 minus 7.52 equals 7.83. Again, that's square units. So this is our answer. 7.83 square units.